one initiative aims to reshape global trade and cooperation. This is the decade story of the Belt and Road Initiative, an ambitious and significant project aimed at enhancing regional and international connectivity that is bridging nations and transforming lives. The origins of the BRI can be traced back to the ancient Silk Road, connecting civilizations across Asia, Europe, and Africa. It was a network of trade routes that facilitated cultural exchange and economic growth. Fast forward to 2013, when Chinese President unveiled the Belt and Road Initiative, a modern-day revival of the Silk Road. It aimed to foster economic cooperation, infrastructure development, and cultural exchange among over 150 countries. It spans Asia, Europe, Africa, and even extends to Latin America and the South Pacific.
And welcome to this significant moment as we gather to commemorate the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiatives. I am honored to extend a warm welcome to each one of you on behalf of AdPulse IMC Private Limited and the Karachi Editors Club. Your presence here tonight is truly appreciated. I am thankful to His Excellency Mr. Chiang Chai-tong, Ambassador of China in Pakistan, corridors that the BRI has established for the connecting and developing the world. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, stands out as the flagship project of the BRI and holds promising future for the nation of Pakistan. President Xi Jinping aptly describes CPEC as a testament to the enduring friendship between China and Pakistan, representing a shining example of regional cooperation and connectivity. Over the past decade, CPEC has emerged as a vital force in global infrastructure development, connecting China's western regional to the Arabian Sea through Pakistan.
在第三届“一带一路”国际合作高峰论坛上，习近平主席宣布中国支持高质量共建“一带一路”8项行动，为“一带一路”合作明确新方向，为世界经济增长注入新动力，为全球共同发展开辟新愿景。我们将积极抓好落实，构建“一带一路”立体互联互通网络，加快陆海新通道和空中丝绸之路建设。最后，祝本次活动圆满成功，祝各位嘉宾身体健康。谢谢大家。
At the core of BRI are 5 key principles: policy coordination, infrastructure connectivity, unimpeded trade, financial integration, and people-to-people bond.
Prosperity and mutual understanding for the generations to come. I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation for Karachi Edit Club.
I think that the Pakistani and Chinese investors need to engage on a much regular basis, and collectively there is a lot that can be done. Personally, the BRI initiative is something that is very close to us at Siddiq. 4 years back in London, we even organized a conference on BRI in which we had then Senator Anwarul Haq Kakar and now the Prime Minister as the chief guest. And even, that was a very significant, even in that we made some significant points. We had great discussion. And I'm so glad that we're having this again here in Karachi. I extend my appreciation to everyone involved in organizing this conference.
If the doors between China and Pakistan are further opened up for food and meat trade, both countries can benefit with better pricing, lesser shipment times, and lesser costs. There exists a lot of opportunity in the meat sector and this trade which could happen between China and Pakistan. It can provide better quality and cheaper priced beef products for human and animal consumption to the Chinese market, whereas Pakistan can benefit from these processed meat exports to China.
We have turned dream into reality, crafting marvels like 7 Wonder City, and the success story of North Town Residency, an industrial zone which is located at CPEC Highway. The land is situated on 1,200 acres. The manufacturing, warehousing, storage facilities, and industries to meet the diverse needs of businesses. It is a gated industrial zone project with all the facilities like park, firestone, stations, modern security system. Thank you for being among us today, not only to highlight the success of GFS, but to engage economic ties between Pakistan and China.
As we know, today we gather here to celebrate a momentous occasion, the 10th anniversary of Belt and Road Initiative, BRI. It is with great pleasure and gratitude that I stand before you as Chancellor of Greenwich University. I extend my heartfelt congratulations on this auspicious occasion of celebrations of the 10th anniversary of Belt and Road Initiative. The initiative undoubtedly played a pivotal role in reshaping global economic landscapes, and especially it has brought a profound impact on Pakistan, as we have heard from other speakers this evening. 10 years ago, China put forward an audacious vision, a vision of connectivity, cooperation, and shared prosperity. The Belt and Road Initiative, with its focus on the infrastructure development, economic cooperation, and people-to-people exchanges, aim to bring together nations across Asia, Europe, Africa, and beyond.
If it starts from Kashgar and then it goes to Gwadar, it takes only 7 to 8 days. Just imagine a secure route, by road, and there is no hazards at all. The only thing we need are secure environments, and that is what Pakistan military is determined to provide complete security to our Chinese friends who are working over there till its completion. We have raised and complete one terrorist division here, and Pakistan military is determined to provide all security till the time this project is completed. Likewise, just see, if Afghanistan is safe, there is no trouble in it, just imagine that how much it gives us economic benefits. If the goods start from Russia, then it comes to Central Asia. If Afghanistan is peaceful, it comes to Balochistan, and then it goes to Gwadar. And then the whole world is available, world economic market is available, it can go over there. So that is why we say it is very, very important, but then we must realize why Afghanistan remains troublesome. And that's been created intentionally by RAW, by Indian, and there are other hostile agencies. The reasons are that if Afghanistan is peaceful, Pakistan will make this CPEC complete. And that is what is the objective of Pakistan-China friendship, and that's what the economic corridor stands for.
Mao Zedong and Zhou Enlai. These are the names that I grew up with. And we were told that they are one of the best friends of Pakistan. And my father used to say that in the future, this is the country that we need to work with. And here we are, 75 years later, China is the one that we are looking forward to. The Belt and Road Initiative basically started off getting the countries in the region together. And Pakistan played a very vital role in the sense that we started out with CPEC. Belt, what comes to mind in the belt is to hold things together. Whether it is a seat belt in your car, is it a belt on your luggage, it's something to hold together. And that is basically the concept of BRI, to get the countries in the region to be together in trade and investments, trade to succeed with the initiative by China of the Belt and Road.
Since its launch 10 years ago, Belt and Road cooperation has evolved from ideas into actions, from a vision into reality, and from a general framework into concrete projects. It has become a platform and one of the most popular international public goods for open, inclusive, mutually beneficial, and win-win cooperation. Belt and Road cooperation has extended from the Eurasia continent to Africa and Latin America. More than 150 countries and over 30 international organizations have signed the Belt and Road cooperation documents. Over the past 10 years, a global network of connectivity consisting of economic corridors, international transportation routes, and the information highway, as well as railway routes, airports, ports, pipelines, and power grids, has been built, covering the land, the ocean, the sky, and the internet. This network has boosted the flow of goods, capital, technology, and human resources among countries involved, and inject fresh vitality into the millennium-old Silk Route in the new era. Belt and Road cooperation is based on the principles of planning together, building together, and benefit together. 10 years of practice have proved that amid its great transformation unseen in the century, through Belt and Road cooperation, the international community can find a practical path and implementation plan to transit difference between civilizations, cultures, social systems, and the stages of development, and move towards a community of a shared future. 1 month ago, the third Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation was successfully